What is the purpose of evaluation? First of all, you will start the evaluation under the RepTool Access WF-RepTool, not like the configuration or inspection rules under Users. You have to choose the submenu of Summaries Evaluation. Background for this is that you will evaluate reports already done under your RepTool administration. The feature evaluation shall help the technical expert of the WE system or, for example, the charged controller to check reports provided by the treatment partners. The evaluation focuses on checking the plausibility of data entries. Compare with the inspection rules with which the completeness of reports is checked in the sense of are there entries in the fields. See a separate video on this. With evaluation, you will check combinations of entries used in all selected reports. Having checked a combination once, you will be able to quickly identify entries which are not okay and covered by the evaluation rules without checking report by report. The evaluation will not replace the individual control of reports, for which you may set controller remarks. See videos on this under Administration and for reporters. Important: only system users may set, modify and save the evaluation rules. Reporters may just see all combinations occurring in their reports and the evaluation rules given and may use them for correcting the reports or in case changing actions. See videos on this under for reporters. When you choose evaluation, you will come to a select content block. Present evaluation options are output fraction country, output fraction technology, technology output fraction, composition of final fraction, and use in final technology national classification. See some examples of application later. Some important aspects are: only combinations used in selected reports are shown. Not all combinations which are possible in general are not used. If any combination which was not okay is solved by the reporter, the evaluation rule will disappear from the list of evaluations and from warnings in the reports. Nevertheless, the rule for this combination stays in the background. So if at any time any of your treatment partners will use this combination again, the rule is given and the automatic inspection will fire. Second, only entries with all key fields filled in or chosen are shown. Other ones with, for example, missing data inputs are covered by the normal output inspection given by the inspection rules. Example: the list of output fraction technology shows only output fractions where the technology is chosen in the following acceptor technology step. This rule also hits acceptor technology steps where the technology is not selected from the RepTool standard technologies, the background lists, but given in the other field. Third, the evaluation rules may only be derived from reports, but they are also applied for inspection of packages and tasks.